do a quick video to let you know that E-Trade has access to analyst reports. So say for instance you wanted to find out about Tesla in an analyst report. You'd go to Analyst Research and then you would scroll all the way down past this and you'll see PDF files in this section. So Smart Consensus had one that was updated today. This is Veterans Day. Thank you for your service to all our veterans. And then you can get an analyst report on Tesla, which will help in your fundamental analysis when you're trying to find out more about a company to invest in. There's another report here, reported on 11/10. And then you can go and they compare other companies in its class with a bunch of information in order to help you with your plan. You can also access these reports on your phone by searching for your stock, scrolling all the way down to the bottom to Analyst Research Reports, and selecting that will lead you to the updated reports. You look for the dates and you can select the newest one. No matter where you are, you have all this information at hand, whether you're home or on the go. When you hear about a company, you can do your fundamental research in order to increase your investing knowledge. Happy trading!